Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Avi Word. Let's make some yummy mashed potatoes. So I went out that morning, got some potatoes, peeled them, cut them in slices that they can easily be cooked. Thereafter, I put them in the fire, added a little bit of salt. Then we're going to fry our fish here. I just mix some ingredients together. Feel free to play around with any ingredients of your choice. I mix them into the egg, then pour them into the sardine fish. I've already deboned it, so I'm going to start frying that. While that is being done, I decided to mash the potato with this my potato masher. It wasn't really giving me what I wanted, and I just have to go ahead and use my sieve to do this so that it can come out nice. You can already see that the fish is frying already. After that, I put some butter in the pot, then pour in my chopped onion. I fried that for about 2 minutes. Thereafter, I also try to use my mixer to try to whisk the potato to see what's going to come out, but it still was not giving me what I wanted. Here I was also frying all the vegetables. You can see the frozen cauliflower and broccoli I pour in, and the carrots. Feel free to cut them in any shape of your choice. At this point in time, I was adding my sweet corn. So this meal is very yummy and filling and satisfying. So after that, I pour in milk in the pot. After that, I added a little bit of butter. This is what I'm going to use to mix the potatoes. I don't have other cheese at home. I wanted to use mozzarella, but I don't have, so I decided to use this one that I have. I sprinkle a little bit of black pepper and parsley, fresh parsley. After that, allow it heat up a little bit, not really boiling. Then I went in with the mashed potato. This time around, I was already done mashing them all, so I just stirred round. And you can see this other smaller pot over here. That's the chicken broth I was doing. I decided to add a little bit of honey because my children love sweet things. Added a little bit of honey to the mashed potatoes. Here I was ready. I was serving. You can see the fish looking so nice. I just served that for all of them. It's a very large family. Then added the veggies beside it. Then went in with the broth. Okay, that's the broth in the kettle. That's what I was drizzling on it right now. Guys, if you taste this meal, it is so yummy, guys. Anyway, let me allow you guys to watch this video. After that, I sprinkle a little bit of lemon juice. Okay, you can do that if you like. It's all a matter of choice. See you in my next video. Bye.
Oh, right. For lunch, how about sushi or a hearty stew? Every day